Some people think that it's just to hit the upload button, but not knowing that there are some things you need to do before you hit that upload button. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the things you need to do before you hit the upload button. Hi besties! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessed Akansale. If this is your first time of coming across my videos, please do well to hit the subscription button. So to show you some of the things you need to do before you upload your videos, because if you do these things, it will help your videos to be more visible. It will help you to get more audience. It will make your video to reach a wider audience. It will make you to have more engagement and more visibility. Would you like to know those things? Oh yeah, let's go. So guys, this is how to correctly upload your videos on your channel. Come to your channel, tap your settings, you will see your data in YouTube, you tap it. It will take you straight to your YouTube studio in desktop form. Okay, this is very easy. Instead of going through the Chrome site, you can follow this place. Now it will take you to your Chrome site. You tap the number of videos you have on your channel, and we are going to YouTube studio direct. Once you come to your YouTube studio, let's assume is this content that you want to upload. Once you tap the content, you will see it will come out like this. First of all, make sure that you have written the title of your video, you have written the description of your video, tell your audience what your video is all about. Then you have written some of the other videos that you would like them to watch that will also help them on their channel or Facebook or any other thing that you're doing. Then you add your keywords. Very, very important. Add your keywords. Keywords that relates to your niche, that relates to what you are uploading at that particular time. Then your thumbnail. This is very, very important. If the thumbnail that YouTube generated for you is not good, you have your own custom thumbnail. All you need to do is just to tap here, my own thumbnail is. If you tap it, it will take you to your gallery where you bring your own thumbnail that you have created. Then if you have playlist you want to attach in your video, you add the playlist. Then the video audience, you make sure that you state if your video is for kids or not. Very, very important. Is it for kids or not? If your video is not made for kids, you tap no, it's not made for kids. Then you tap on this show more. You tap it. Once you tap it, it will take you to the side. You tell them, you indicate if your video contain paid promotion. You tap the box there. Then other content, you tell if your content is made by you or is generated by AI images or videos. Very important. Then you come here, automatic chapters. Allow automatic chapters and key moments. You, although this one is in default setting. Then another thing is make sure that this thing is on. You tap them. Another thing is your tags. Make sure that you add tags related to your video. Very important, so that your video can be searchable. When people search it on YouTube, your video will be among the ones that will pop up. So add your hashtag related to your video you are uploading. Then another place is allow embedding. Make sure that you allow your videos to be embedded. Then allow video and audio releasing. Allow others to remix your video if they wish. Then the most important thing is this category. Category. Add your video to a category so viewers can find it more easily.
So when you tap here, you will see many categories here. You see auto and vehicle, comedy, education, entertainment, film and animation, gaming, how-to, music, news and politics, non-profits and activism, people and blogs, pets and animals, science and technology, sports, travel and events. So whichever one that you are doing on your channel, if it is entertainment, you keep it as entertainment. If it is film and animation, if it is tutorial video, educational content like this one now that I am doing, you keep it as how to, so that when people are searching for videos of how to, your own will also pop up. Okay, so then you on your comment section so that when people comment, you can easily see their comments and reply them. Okay, so this is very important. Make sure that before you upload your videos, you check these things. Okay, check these things correctly, check them before you upload your videos. Then you add your end screen. All right, it's very important. Add your end screen. I've made a video on how you can add your end screen. You can go to my channel and watch the video. All right.
Make sure that you look out for those things I showed you now on the YouTube studio before you upload your videos. Make sure you implement them because it will help your videos to get more visibility and more engagement. If you have watched this time and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, and turn on the notification bell for more uploads.